share. Okay, now it's on record.
Okay, I will start.
Yes, we can start.
Okay. Hi, good morning. I am Gauri Palanivel. My group number 12. My group members Muthukumar Jaikumar and Manojai Senyangu and Global Operations. Toyota Production System GSK. My topic. First, we will analyze the historical perspective of lane production, the lane adoption in GSK, evidence of secondary research and mitigation strategic for the lane implementation issues. The historical background is in 1913. Ford was the first company to truly implement the lane concept of standardizing product modules, related parts and production tasks, reducing waste, specifically reducing operator movement by minimizing the number of functions to be performed and properly according to request, obtaining the right amount of materials and parts. However, his production process is dedicated to manufacturing a single product module and does not allow the any variants. In 1924, the origin of lane history was founding Toyota, and 1937 to 1962 is the evaluation of the Toyota production system TPS in 1937. Kistan, the son of Saksik, founded the automobile department of Toyota weaving factory. He developed methods based on reducing waste and establishing kitchen workshop in 1945 after World War. The economic situation was complicated, limited resource, economic instability, and the need for rapid industry recovery. Toyota promoted the development of need for innovation manufacturing methods. In 1950, development just-in-time fountain requirement not focused and defined production plans. And this is true every stage production, everything started. And 1973 to 1991, Lane goes international with cordial adoption in the West. In 1973, the Japanese industry was severely affected by the first oil crisis. The Japanese government asked Toyota to hold TPS seminar to benefit the Japanese industries. Lane appears in the magazine that changed the world by James P. Worm, Daniel T. Jones, and Daniel Roos of MIT, and in Lane Thinking 1996 by the same authors. For example, this works formally and just in the formally articles the 5 principles of Lane. Define value, identify the constraints, establish process, drive, follow, and pursue perfection. That's all. Next, continue Muthukumar and Jaikumar. Continue Muthukumar and Jaikumar.
Sorry guys. Fundamental principles. I'm going to explaining about fundamentals of principles of lean productions. Just-in-time embassies producing products effective when needed in the production process, thereby reducing excess inventory and minimizing waste. The principles aims to align productions and customer demand and optimize efficiency and reduce transportation costs. Transfer system involve visual signals to manage and control production system. It helps regulate the quantity and timing of inventory during the production. Transfer system supports a full system produce item according to actual demand and avoid overproduction. Kaizen is a philosophy of continuous improvement that encourages small increment changes process, and operations. Next, move on to the next slide. Let's move to the GSK is a global pharmaceutical, biological vaccines, and consumer healthcare company, the third largest pharmaceutical company in the world by revenue, with lead market shares in four of the five largest therapeutic markets: anti-infections, central nervous systems, respiratory, and the gastrointestinal and metabolic. 5% of the global pharmaceutical market, and R&D cost exceeds $45,000 per year. And new products and formulations developed in R&D may impact the supply chain as they move towards commercial production and distribution. GlaxoSmithKline has manufacturing and production facilities worldwide that formulate and produce its medicines. After the productions, medicines are distributed to various markets. GSK distribution networks involves transport, warehousing, and logistic partners. Next, move on to the next slide. Yeah. Next, let us move on to secondary data of GSK expenditure on research and development from 2006 to 2022, and the GSK deliveries of FY 2023. The total sales are 30.3 billion and 5% and 40% of including and excluding COVID-19 solutions. The vaccines are $9.9 billion pounds, and the specialty medicines are 10.2 billion pounds, and the general medicines are 10.2 billion pounds. And move on to the next slide. And the pros and cons of lean in GSK. Moreover, for the pros and cons of lean in GSK, this can improve operational efficiency as lean methods aims to eliminate waste, streaming process, and optimize workflow. Lean can help reduce cost by identifying and eliminate waste. Lean principles emphasize continuous improvement to standardization of a process and improve product quality. However, the possible con is that GlaxoSmithKline employees may resist change to establish the work process. The pharmaceutical industry is highly regulated, and any modifications to process may be met with suspicious or concern about the potential impact of complaints. Implementing lean practices may require initial training, technology, and process redesigning investments. GSK operates in a highly regulated industry. Implementing lean may require compliance work with regulatory requirements, and any changes must carefully verify to the ensure compliance. And move on to the Manoj.
Yeah, hi, I'm Manu. I'm taking the slides of SWOT analysis. Next, let us move to SWOT analysis. The advantage is that the GlaxoSmithKline has a robust global presence and operates in multiple countries. Its position as a leading pharmaceutical company provides broad market coverage. GSK is known its heavy investment in research and development and has made advances in respiratory, HIV, and cardiovascular drugs. The weakness is that the GSK has been accused of illegal conduct such as promoting prescription drugs in certain countries, false pricing, misleading sales charges, and failing to disclose safety information. GSK's various products and vaccines face a competitive market from generic to flagship drugs, which affected GSK's scale. The collaboration with the GSK's AIDS specialist VIIV, the partnership with Pfizer and Shinogi in 2016, and the acquisition of Geico vaccine in 2015 have helped the company to reach the greater heights and capture the market. The trend leads to fierce competition among the other brands, limiting market share and triggering a war peace. India has proposed a new pricing management strategy, and drug prices may fall. The pharmaceutical industry operates under strict regulatory oversights. Government regulation can affect GlaxoSmithKline production and sales. It must comply with the laws of such in law of each country before conducting production. Can you move to the left slide, please? Yeah. These are the challenges of GSK supply chain. The pharmaceutical industry operates under a strict regulatory framework for challenge of GSK supply chain global supervision compliance. Ensuring compliance with the diverse and ever-changing global regulation is an ongoing challenge for GSK supply chain. Compliance with tracking regulation, including product sterilization, is critical for pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaceutical supply chains are vulnerable to disruption, such as natural disasters, geopolitical events, and unexpected supply shortages. GSK has a diverse product portfolio and may face challenges in managing the complexities associated with manufacturing and distributing a variety of pharmaceutical, vaccines, and consumer healthcare products. In addition, the risk of counterfeit drugs is also a challenge, and GSK must implement anti-counterfeiting solid measures. Regulatory agencies have stringent and evolving standards for the safety and quality of their processes and accept drug manufacturing to demonstrate that they are in control of their process, particularly during routine commercial production. Can you? Yeah. These are the best strategies for lean implementation in GSK. Kaizen focuses on eliminating waste, increasing productivity, and continuously improving organizational goals, activities, and processes. Improvement must be controlled across a wide range of validation areas too. Understand customers, provide value analysis of product portfolio, identify products that contribute the most value to customers and simplify product portfolio. Use value stream mapping to identify and eliminate non-value added steps in the serialization and traceability. Streamlining workflow will increase visibility and reduce delivery times. To identify products that provide the most outstanding value to customers, regularly reviewing and refine the product portfolio based on customer feedback. Market trends and business strategies. Let it flow. Implement a quality control process to prevent defects and ensure products integrity. Evaluate and design critical product parameters for processing therapeutic production and distribution process and ensure smooth and efficiency products. Go to the field and practice the site walks where leaders and relevant stakeholders travel to assure workplace to observe and understand processes, gather insight from frontline employees, and solve challenges on the fly. Empower people and empower employees at all levels to actively participate in Kaizen activities and improvement initiatives. Provide training and resources to enhance employee problem-solving skills and encourage a sense of ownership for continuous improvement. Be transparent. Foster a culture of transparency by openly sharing information about performance metrics, improvement goals, and challenges. Implement visual management tools such as Kanban boards and performance dashboard to encourage transparency. From here onwards, my friend will lead the following slides. Thank you.
For the challenge of the lean strategy, Kaizen supervision restrictions, GSK operates in a highly regulated industry. The pharmaceutical manufacturer must comply with strict regulatory requirements. Implementing changes through Kaizen can present challenges in ensuring continued compliance without compromising product quality and safety. Adapting Kaizen to this complexity may require careful for planning and the consideration of regulatory implications. Shifting organizational culture towards a lean and improvement mindset can be challenging. Employees may resist change, primarily if the traditional culture is rooted in a more conservative or risk averse approach. While lean aims to improve efficiency, pharmaceutical companies like GSK must balance efficiency with a culture of innovation. Especially in research and development, Kaizen measures must encourage the creativity required for scientific progress. Implementing Kaizen and the lean practice may require initial investment in training, process redesign, and potentially new technology. GSK needs to manage these costs effectively to ensure a positive return on investment over time. GSK's global supply chain is complex, involving multiple stockholders and stringent quality control measures. Mitigation strategies for GSK are conducting specialized workshop on implementing Kaizen in compliance, ensure Kaizen measure compliance with regulatory standards and requirements, continuous compliance audits, integrate regular compliance audits into the Kaizen process to promptly identify the correct deviation, ensure leadership's strong commitment to the Kaizen philosophy. Leaders should actively participate in the support Kaizen initiatives to drive cultural change. Foster a sense of ownership and participation among the employees by encouraging them to participate the Kaizen activity and the decisions. Establish a reward system to recognize and motivate employees for their innovation contributions. This enables a balance between efficiency gains and the innovative thinking, involving employees in decision making and proactively solve problems. Demonstrate successful implementation of Kaizen to build confidence and demonstrate the positive impact of continuous improvement. Combine Kaizen principles with the innovation measures. Emphasize that Kaizen aims to improve the process without hindering the creative aspects of research and development. Implement Kaizen through pilot programs for a specific R&D project. Evaluate result before scaling up to ensure compatibility with GSK unique process. In summary, the presentation on implementing Kaizen with GSK offers a strategic approach to address challenges and promote continuous improvement in the pharmaceutical industry, while GSK faces unique challenges, including regulatory compliance, long product development cycles, and the need for innovation. The Kaizen philosophy provides a systematic and process-based approach to overcoming these obstacles. The proposed mitigation strategies, such as dedicated workshops, leadership commitment, innovation integration, and the change management plans, are tailored to the specific challenges faced by GSK. The recommendation is to develop an unwavering leadership commitment to the Kaizen philosophy. Leadership should actively participate in the support Kaizen initiative and emphasize the importance of continuous improvement in achieving organizational goals. Combine Kaizen with innovative measures to balance efficiency, improvements and creative thinking, especially in R&D. Build a culture that values continuous improvement and innovative solutions. Conduct dedicates workshop on Kaizen implementation in regulatory compliant environment. Implement Kaizen through pilot programs, especially in areas with unique challenges such as extended product development cycles. Implement a recognition program to celebrate successful Kaizen implementations and review progress regularly to ensure continued commitment at all levels of the organization.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thomas Stein will take this review. Hello.